Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday, we hit our max loss. So once we hit our max loss, my rules are to stop trading. So that's what happened yesterday. I hit my max loss. It was a terrible day. The market was really choppy. It's been very tough to trade. That being said, I had 13 straight green days while they were not huge green days, right? You know, $40 here, $20 here, $30 there, if I didn't say that already. They weren't huge green days, but I cut my share size back. Once, I'm just going to turn this down for a second. Out here, it's beautiful out in the backyard, gazebo, couch, about to watch the New York Mets game that starts in about 10 minutes. Loving life right now. Anyway, where was I? So yesterday, and what I've been doing is I'm taking risk off. There's a time to put risk on when the market is really, really hot. And I'm talking about hot from a momentum stock, a Wall Street Bets, a GameStop, like that type of retail hot, not institutional buying on the SPY. Like that's been going like this. It'll drop out of nowhere, pick back up. That's great if you, there goes the bell for the stock market. That's great if you have a big portfolio and your fund manager is trading your account. It's been very tough though for day traders the last 2 weeks. So my losses was yesterday. My loss was a lot smaller than it could have been, you know, cutting back the share size, but also the wins were also small. So anyway, that was yesterday. Today, I'm going to go over my trades. I did not trade a lot, but I did take some trades. So here we go. Sharing the moneymaker. We are back in business, and I'm going to start a whole nother streak. Today is day one. So we had our 13 straight green, our one max loss red. It was inevitable, okay? A red day was going to come in there, and it did. But today, look at that beauty. Over $200, got back everything we lost yesterday, and then some. So this was really nice, and I'm going to go over this trade with you because I almost think that this trade with Mara can actually work again if done correctly, like I did yesterday. And I'm going to start there with you guys. So let's look at Mara. This is a Bitcoin stock, okay? Also, for those that don't know, tomorrow, ticker symbol COIN is going to be having their IPO. It's going to be absolutely a monster tomorrow. Everybody's going to be trading this. I don't know when it's going to IPO. I'm sure during the price discovery phase of when and where they want to release the price. If I had to guess, it will probably be in the early afternoon because it's going to take a long time. You're going to see a lot of news coming out of where they think it's going to open up. And then a half an hour later, there's going to be more news where they think it's going to open up. And this could go on for hours. So just be patient. And then when it opens up, there's a good chance that it's going to go into a lot of halts. Okay. It's going to be tough to trade. If you're a beginner, be careful. Um, it's not going to be easy to trade. I'm going to trade it just because I want to be a part of, how big this is going to be. This is a huge Bitcoin, all those coins. So I'm going to trade it, but I'm going to reduce my risk. I'm going to trade it with small share size. And I think it's going to open up like in the 300s, possibly. That's just possible. I don't know for sure. But so anyway, getting back into what I did with Mara. This is how I made most of the money today. Look at what I did here. Now, the reason behind the trade, okay? Why did I take this trade? Strictly because of the IPO tomorrow. That's why I'm saying I think this trade can possibly work again, for tomorrow. I bought it right here. That's where I sold it. Okay, I didn't buy it there. I bought it here about 7 minutes before trading stopped. So at about 7:52 p.m. last night at 7:52. So we had 8 more minutes left until they shut down trading. I went in there and I just sniped using level 2. I saw that somebody was offering up the shares at $50.65. I went in there like a ninja, okay? Took the 50 shares from the poor soul that sold it to me at $50.65. What a tremendous mistake he made, because then in the pre-market at 7:44 a.m. the next morning, I was able to sell those same 50 shares that poor soul sold me for $53.95. A beauty of a trade. And I did this strictly because of the momentum that was going on in Bitcoin and the Wednesday IPO for coin. That is why I took this trade. And in the pre-market, so at 7 o'clock, I knew that it was going to sell off a little bit from everybody that was doing what I did. Instead of selling it when everybody else did at 7 a.m. when it opened up for trading for platforms like Thinkorswim, I just waited it out. Okay, I put in an order for previous highs, which was, I think there was resistance right on this level. Around $54 was resistance. So all I did was I put in a sell order, so I didn't have to look at it, for $53.95, a nickel under the resistance, because I didn't want to get greedy. Yes, could I have sold it for the high, 54.60? Of course. But nobody is ever going to know when the absolute top and the absolute bottom is. I think I did a very good job being 65 cents off the high for the day. I think that was a very, very good job, because all it did was sell off all the way to under where I bought it for. And this is why I scalped. Now, this same trade, like I said, this can work possibly. I'm not telling anybody what to do, but there's a possibility that you can get this same trade to go again. I'm not going to take it because I don't want to risk what I just made here. Patterns, they do tend to repeat, but I'm just gonna do day trading tomorrow. I'm not gonna take any more swing trades. It was the first swing trade I took in a while, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Now, what I did do other than this that brought me to over the 200 mark was, once I noticed the dam broke here. Okay. We had a gradual, like really nice incline here, as you can see with the S&P 500. It started to stall out here. Okay. So all I did is once I noticed it was stalling, and once it started to break a little bit and I saw the tape really, really unraveling, all I did was I sold one contract here for 41.3625, and I covered into this candle going down at 41.34. It was, you know, a small win, but small wins added up, you know, add up to a good amount of money at the end of each week, each month, each year. You got to look at it that way. All these little wins, they'll add up. So, well, you know, I'm glad that I took the trade off here. This could have, or what used to happen was this thing would have really sold off even more. That's why I'm just scalping these things now. So anyway, like I said, this was a good day, and it came at a very good time because I just had my max loss yesterday and I got it all back and then some in one day. So that's really, really nice to see. I thought it was going to take me like all week to get that back. So to get it back all in one day, super happy about that. And everybody that watched yesterday's video and gave me that thumbs up, I appreciate you guys. You literally made my day. Just by hitting the thumbs up, you made my day. And I do appreciate that a lot. And also, if you're new to the channel and you don't know by now, I produce these videos every single day. I have not missed one day. It's like a hornet or something over there. I haven't missed one day in about 2 or 3 months. Also, I'm going to link in the description. Go join our Discord. It's a great chat. Awesome people in there, really smart people, and everybody sharing ideas. I really enjoy our Discord. So shout out to you guys in my Discord. You guys are great. And that is also growing so fast. I think we already have like 10% of all my subscribers on here have joined that already. So that's really growing fast. So anyway, other than that, if you do join my Discord or if you are in there already, I will see you guys first thing in the morning. I hope everybody has a great night and a great time trading that coin IPO tomorrow. Take care, everyone.